The Skoda KODIAQ is such a well-established model that it's easy to forget it was only launched in 2016. Since then, the big SUV has bagged over 40 international awards and racked up more than 840,000 sales. Now Skoda hopes to give the model fresh impetus and attract a host of new customers with the second generation of KODIAQ, due on sale in UK dealers in early 2024. It's clear from the first glimpse at the KODIAQ that Skoda has taken an evolutionary approach to the design, as is often the case with the Czech brand's best-known nameplates. At 4,758 mm long, the new car is stretched slightly, 61 mm, compared with the outgoing KODIAQ, but the wheelbase is unchanged, at 2,791 mm, so gains in accommodation space come in the third row of 7-seat editions and the boot. It remains on the VW Group's proven MQB architecture. Skoda says this KODIAQ introduces the first elements of the modern solid design language that will guide the brand's models into the second half of the decade. The front is instantly recognizable as a KODIAQ, though with a fresh take on the split headlights and, optionally, illumination on the latest version of the company's hexagonal grille, a feature introduced on the Skoda Enyaq EV. Matrix LED lighting technology will also be available as an option. The KODIAQ's chassis is likely to have received only mild revisions, although there is the addition of DCC Plus dynamic chassis control, which uses two-valve technology to control suspension rebend and compression. The outgoing car's DCC had a single valve for both functions. Skoda has shaken up the engine range, though, to incorporate mild hybrid petrol and regular diesel options plus, for the first time on KODIAQ, a plug-in hybrid setup. The range starts with a 1.5-liter TSI petrol producing 148 bhp and using 48V mild hybrid tech, and also features three 2.0-liter options, a 201 bhp petrol that also gets mild hybrid systems plus cylinder deactivation, and two diesels with either 148 bhp or 190 bhp.